our first nomination, the Achievement Award. The Achievement Award serves to recognize and honor excellence across business and economy, science and education, healthcare, culture, and art. The award promotes the best original organizations and personalities in different activity spheres by identifying and rewarding excellent and inspiring participants to continually raise the standards of their product and service. The Lifetime Achievements Award is presented to Ernesto Apolo Valenciana Martinez, the CEO of INVOICE Laguna, Mexico.